The next chapter, Chapter 8, is the condition called amyloidosis. When we define amyloidosis, it's a group of diseases that are characterized by the common denominator of basically the deposition of an extracellular protein that has special unique conformational changes that provide it unique properties. But remember, when you add material to tissue, what's going to happen to its compliance is going to be decreased. This protein is also going to be abnormal. There's actually a complex of proteins that's going to cause abnormality structurally, but also it's going to cause a decreased compliance in those tissues that are going to be affected by the extracellular deposition of this protein or protein complex, which we'll describe in just a moment. What are some of the common features of amyloid? And why they call it amyloid is because it has starch-like properties. Like you think of amylase, a protein that breaks down carbohydrates. There are individual subunits that form the conformation of beta-pleated sheets, because this will become important when we talk about Congo red and the Congo red stain, the dye, how it intercalates between the beta-pleated sheets and gives the characteristic apple green birefringence that we all think of. So microscopically, it's going to be this, on an H&E, an amorphous eosinophilic extracellular deposition of this pink protein. It'll tend to be obviously acellular, because another protein that gets deposited in the extracellular space is collagen or fibrosis, but you're going to have fibroblasts that are going to be laying down this collagen. So it's important to distinguish between scarring, fibrosis, versus amyloid deposition, and that's why we have to have the stain Congo red. So the staining due to Congo red, it will alert that there is a specific type of new protein that's extracellularly deposited, and we want to put it under polarized light, and when we put it under polarized light, we get the characteristic apple green birefringence. And because of this, this is pathognomonic for any type of amyloid. And we'll talk about the various types in just a moment.